How could a cigarette hole in a car seat be repaired? Repairing a cigarette hole in a car seat can be fairly straightforward if you follow the right steps. Here's how you can tackle it. Assess the damage first. Assess the extent of the damage. Is it a tiny hole or a larger burn mark? The size and depth of the hole will determine the materials and methods you need to use. Materials you'll need: fabric patch or matching fabric if you have cloth seats, leather repair kit for leather seats, scissors, fabric adhesive or leather glue, tweezers, needle and thread, optional for cloth seats. For cloth seats 1. Clean the area. Before you start the repair, make sure the area around the hole is clean. Use a mild detergent and water, then let it dry completely. 2. Patch the hole. Cut a small piece of matching fabric slightly larger than the hole. Apply fabric adhesive to the edges of the patch and carefully place it under the hole using tweezers to position it properly. Press down firmly and let it dry as per the adhesive instructions. 3. Reinforce the patch. Optional. If the hole is larger or you want extra durability, you can sew around the hole using a needle and thread that matches your seat color. This step will help the patch stay in place better. For leather seats 1. Clean the area. Just like with cloth seats, you want the area around the hole to be clean. Use a leather cleaner if you have one and let it dry. 2. Use a leather repair kit. Leather repair kits typically come with a variety of colored patches, adhesive, and sometimes even a grain pad to match the texture of your leather. Choose a patch that closely matches your seat color. 3. Apply the patch. Cut the patch to size, apply the leather glue around the hole, and place the patch over the hole. Use the grain pad, if included, to gently press the patch and blend it with the surrounding leather. Let it dry as per the kit instructions. Final touches. After either method, give the repair some time to set properly. Avoid using the seat immediately to ensure the adhesive bonds well. Regularly check the repaired area to ensure it remains intact and reapply adhesive or reinforce as needed. While these steps can help you fix a cigarette hole in your car seat, remember that more extensive damage might require professional help. If you aren't comfortable doing it yourself, or the hole is quite large, it might be worth consulting a professional to ensure the best results. Keep your car looking sharp, and of course, try to avoid future burns by smoking responsibly. Or better yet, quit smoking altogether for a healthier life.